Welcome back everyone. In today's video, I'm going to make an adjustable fence for my Ryobi 9-inch bandsaw. Now I don't plan on doing a lot of resawing on this bandsaw. It's a small bandsaw, the motor can't really handle a lot of resawing, but it is nice to have a fence to do some straight cutting against. I've been trying to get around to doing this for a while now. It's such a simple thing to build, so I'm gonna knock this one off the list. Let's get to it. To get started on this project, you'll need some scrap 3/4 inch plywood. You'll need some scrap 1/2 inch plywood, a 2.5 inch C-clamp, which usually costs around $2 or $3 at the most. This is a great project for using up those smaller scraps of plywood. For the exposed blade on this bandsaw, that's the maximum height. I don't want the fence to be too high. Most of the time I'm working with it at about this level. The next part is to add the T-square so that the fence will instantly square up, and then I can slide it back and forth and lock it down on the other side. This stop at the other side will square it up instantly. I can slide it wherever I need it to be, and I simply clamp it in. It sits in right here and it locks in place nice and easy. Most of the time, this block here will keep your whole fence square and keep it in place while you clamp it on the other side, and that's usually enough clamping to keep the entire fence square and in place. I did design it just in case if I wanted a little extra clamping to allow for an additional clamp on this end. So I have the option to clamp on both ends. Now, as I said, these C-clamps are very cheap. They are plentiful. They're a couple of bucks at the most. Well, that concludes making a quick and easy fence for your 9-inch Ryobi bandsaw. It's super easy with the C-clamps to clamp onto this tabletop. Once you've got it clamped up, even on just the one end, it's not moving anywhere. I'm happy with how this works. It's extremely simple, extremely effective, and I'm not really sure why I didn't knock this off the list sooner. If you want to buy me a beer, head on over to my Patreon page right over here. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. There are a couple more videos on this side you can watch. Until next time, thanks for watching, and have a great day.